what's the hardest part about being a tour rep?
Would be Packy Hanrahan.
Yes.
He's a lunatic. That guy's the worst. All right, we're back this week in Kokomo, Indiana for a PTQ and a practice day for Keven, the PTQ, and this is really kind of just what it's like for like new bowlers on tour or bowlers who miss like 3 major events last year.
You're welcome.
You just don't have enough points to get into the events in the direct entry. So PTQ for Keven, 6 games on the Wayne Webb, 38 feet. Kind of maybe hard and maybe easy. We don't really know. It's all up to how the bowling center plays. So we're gonna head there. But first, you guys.
More important question.
You guys let us know.
Yo, what room temperature do y'all be having your rooms at? Because this man just put it on 77.
Okay, it was just like for
it
like
wasn't a joke. It was real.
It wasn't a joke, but it was just for like a couple minutes. So give us a like.
The over under is 70.
Okay,
you said 72.
Give us a like if you like your room temperature above 70, and give us a dislike if you like the room temperature below 70.
Yo, all my dislikers, we like it cold in here.
Anyways, we'll catch you guys at the bowling center for 6 games, PTQ. Hopefully Keven can make it through. So Kev was at 45 over 202.30, and the number's at 35 after 2. They're taking 8 through out of like the 40-something bowlers that they have. So Kevin's got a bowl, pretty good, pretty decent back 4 here as the scores look like they're picking up a little bit. So seems like urethane might be the play, might not. Pretty over under on the pairs. So we'll see if he makes a change or if he just sticks with it and sees where it goes. 3 games in. What's the cut?
Cut is plus 51 through 3.
I think Kevin's like...
He was 45.
So he's 56. He's 56 over.
Yeah. And he has what? Front 6 this game?
He got the front 6, so he's in good position. Good position. What is it? Is it 6 games or 8 games
6.
today?
I believe it's 6.
So it's 6 games today. He's at 50 over. He's got the front 6. He just got to hang on here. Just got to keep throwing good shots. All right, little update. Keven shot 278 or 279 last game. They're now taking 9, but he's 130 or 140 over. 9th place is 80 over, so he's well within the number. 2 games to go, and he's got a good start this game. So hopefully he can finish it out here for like a 220. That's the goal. He just 5'10", so who knows? He hasn't missed the pocket this game. It's just hopefully he can catch a couple breaks to finish the game out and shoot a big enough game to really have the last game not matter that much. How's it going?
We're just, hitting the pocket and knocking them over in 2 shots. That's all we're doing.
Feeling great.
Official Jeffrey Mann led the PTQ at plus 184. He's followed by Zach Newman, Kevin Williams, Trevor Roberts, Matt Newman, Preston Knowles, Arturo Quintero, Mike Eaton Jr., and Christopher Sloan, the number 9 spot.
Do the back
at plus
5
112. That's the number to make the cut. Zach Tackett, Nate Garcia,
One time for the
Carlos
lefties.
Granados,
Is this a
you're welcome
lefty
to
week for
stick
Keven?
around.
Is this a
Be
lefty
on
week for Keven?
standby. You're welcome to practice today at 3 o'clock as well.
All right, so I asked Wolf this earlier. I don't know where he is, but I asked, what's the hardest part about being a tour rep?
Dealing with the bowlers.
Knew it.
That's a good answer. Who's the hardest to deal with?
Honestly,
Give me an op.
Come on, baby. Yeah, zoom in.
I guess, to be honest, to date, would be Packy Hanrahan.
Yes.
He's a lunatic. That guy's the worst. That guy's the worst.
Hey, we're back. Practice sessions in an hour. I got enough points accumulated.
You drilling anything?
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing Packy is.
So we're gonna go. We'll see you on the truck with 2 double crosses laid out.
Yo, baby!
What do you do, baby?
Nice.
Who gave that to you? Shout out to anybody?
Shout out to Art from Las Vegas. I appreciate you donating the grenade pearl.
We will
want to hear it.
Kevin wants to hear that that double cross is good, and I'm not gonna, I have to admit it. It's pretty good. It rolls, I drilled it with a longer pin than the last one I had, and it rolls pretty good. It doesn't check up so hard in the front of the lane with that longer pin.
Just tell me, I need
It's
to
a good
hear.
ball. It's a good ball.
That I
Kevin,
was-
you were right. I should have drilled another one sooner.
What are the goals this season? Do you have anything you besides? We all know you want to win. You're out here to win, right? Is there any check marks that you're trying to put on?
Well, that was our practice session.
Yeah.
I practiced the entire 2 hours. I threw urethane for a little bit, and then it looked like gabagoo. So I moved into like fourth arrow, and I had a pretty good look with a couple different reactive balls. So
I threw reactive balls the whole time. We're giving them the reactive ball big wheel.
it's like day one of the U.S. Open, just in Kokomo, Indiana, instead of Woodland Bowl, Indianapolis. So I'll let you know if it's still like the U.S. Open day one in like 24 hours.
Let's be honest. We're gonna throw your thing still.
It's going to be purple hammers probably, double crosses, pink ones maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We'll let you know tomorrow. And until tomorrow,
Bye.